If you have a building that's 10 years old or older, still fairly new, right? Feels like just yesterday when you had it built. But right around 10 years is when you should start maintaining your building. Depending on how your building was built, that's going to look like a few different things. If it's a pole barn with old posts in the ground, there's still guys building them like that, even within the last decade. And you want to check those, make sure they're solid, not rotted. The new pressure treat's not very good. Another thing that you're going to want to look at is just the screws, fasteners on the roof, the walls. If it's metal cladding, take a look at that. You want to take a look at inside, are rodents getting in? If so, where are they getting in? If it's an enclosed building, why are they getting in there? How'd they get in? You've got problems somewhere. You don't want them in your walls chewing up your insulation if it's insulated. So that's something else you could take a peek at. If it is an insulated building, you're going to want to take a peek in the attic. Look up there, make sure ventilation's working properly. You don't have signs of any moisture, mold. If you've got moisture for 24 to 48 hours, that's all it takes in the right conditions for mold to start growing. Mold is absolutely terrible. Can make you sick, can make you have all sorts of problems. I actually was in a place for a while that had mold problems and made me get this weird rash I had for almost a year before we moved out. So mold can cause a lot of health problems. That's definitely something you want to check. And I would recommend to any building owners, homeowners, anyone, stick your head in that attic, more than your head. Get in there, shine a light around. If it's a big building, walk around a bit up there, make sure you're just stepping on the trusses, but look for moisture, look for mold, anything like that. The earlier you can catch it, the easier and less costly it is to fix it. And if you can catch it when it's just moisture and you can take care of that, stop that leak, you're going to be miles ahead of the guy that never looks in his attic. Anybody with a building that's 10 years or older, you're definitely going to want to check that out. If you don't want to get in there, because I get it, crawling around your attic is not fun. It's super hot in the summer and it's pretty warm in the winter and just sucks in general. You can easily reach out to us. We've got some inspections. They're cheap. They cost you almost nothing. And we can come out there and take a look at it for you and do full 51-point inspection on your whole building, or we can just do a roof inspection. Either way, both of those include crawling around in your attic so that you don't have to.